Hey everyone, now's the perfect time to start using a homemade fertilizer. Fertilizers are amazing to use during the winter and spring. If you want to encourage happier, healthier, flourishing plants, I use fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks on my plants and making one is easy. Here are 3 DIY homemade fertilizer option I am recommending. Please you guys trying at home. 3 homemade fertilizer option to try. Banana peels. Before composting banana peels, trying using them to make fertilizer for your plants. Place 2 or 3 banana peels in a mason jar with water. Leave it sealed for a week, and then after 7 days I'll throw the peels out and use the banana peel water on my plant. Alternatively, I can try out the peels, grind them up, and mix them right into the soil. I'll usually do this when repotting a new plant that doesn't look too happy. Just once, if you go this route, the drying out step is crucial to preventing pests. You can buy plant essentials at the store, but using what you already have at home is a great way. Second DIY fertilizer is freshly cut grass. Did you know that freshly cut grass is chock full of nutrients that plants love? If you have freshly cut grass clippings, you can pour water in a bucket and add the grass clippings. Let it soak for 3 to 4 days to allow the nutrients to release into the water. Then water your plants. This is a best liquid fertilizer for your all kinds of plants. Fertilizing your plants is an important step, but it's one plant parents often forget about. In their natural environment, plants get nutrients from rain, droppings, other plants, and insects that are in their ecosystem. When they are in our homes, they need a bit of encouragement to help them grow. Now's the perfect time to start using a homemade plant fertilizer. Fertilizers are amazing to use during the winter, summer, or spring. And this is easily available grass. You can easily find it at your lawn, your and third DIY is onion peel fertilizer. Onion peel fertilizer will help you to prepare and use onion peel fertilizer in your garden or farm. People of our beautiful world is rapidly shifting towards organic farming as well as gardening. We are looking for various type of useful organic fertilizer for our plants. Friends, this is onion peel. Pour it into water for 2 to 3 days. Then you can use this liquid fertilizer for your all plants. This is a perfect source of NPK, means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Onion peel is a rich source of potassium. They are also rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, and copper. You can use onion peel for mulching as well as for preparing fertilizer. Using onion peel as a fertilizer can also help you in zero budget organic gardening as well as farming. Instead of wasting them, you can utilize them wisely to make your plants healthy, as I do all the time. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. This is a eco-friendly bin or any bag. Keep collecting peels daily. You can select a ball or a plastic bottle with